some things. That was why when the Reverend Father go strike Ebuka Obi, we want to try to develop this place. I'm mad with them. I'm mad with them. Well, because carry that your nonsense go Enugu. The road, the only road I show you now where Ohankem they try walk. That time Ohankem agree with Italian now. Ohankem agree with Italian. Obabala cheap himself. Okay, man, they see from nowhere. With allegation, no Ohankem nishi. No, cause the Reverend Father here. No, cause the Father here. No, cause the propaganda. At the same time, you need a CD plate. You need making your own money, but you are backdating the development of my own area. You see that who send you? People now going to me. My time become president, you know they are calling that thing. One them Tommy see wapogi here. Emma. Oh, you know idea? Jezebel and Ahab killed so many prophets, and they want him in the honey. They want him in the honey. You would have this one for good road now, or Hankem to the boundaries of River State based on all the literary area at that time. All the literary area. Yeah, but psychiatric. Psychiatric. Leaders in my local government. My place. Psychiatric. During the time of Umbakwe. Psychiatric. That is the only thing my people want. Now let's say Ebuka Obi to this allow, so that Ebuka Obi would have tied this road. Ebuka Obi would have tied this road. Organishi from Olakwota area, Biana local government council headquarters, by joining area to Nka, so that this River State now there will be able. This was his plans. These are the lands the man wanted to buy that time. They came and play politics and shared money to politicians here. You yourself would have been buying places here. This was the problem of Yenanda. This thing was the problem Ebuka Obi with these people. See, Ebuka Obi would have developed this place. Ebuka Obi can with a development. In this land, two sides. I'm gonna Lagabacha airport. Politicians na Reverend Father Sultan and Enugu came and spoiled everything. Now nonsense because not about from here to Enugu make the distance. Grace differs. People can look for you wherever you are. And you want me to start clapping for such man? One day they go Diana, Biko. Leyland everywhere. In fact, hold on, brother. Kose, let me shock you. Before you see me, think I've heard you. Before from Mbasi somebody Aronya Hebelam something will scatter my brain. Let some of our brothers them be abroad. But I teach for solar free of charge with their money. All grab like this with their money. That everything we can do to cheer up Ebuka Obi, let him come and buy land here. And I may now see big politicians say Zuzuru quench the thing. Zuzuru quench the thing. Then you want to make a clap for them. Today God pass them. Now maybe the non-issue politicians from my local government. They want to know rich now for our local government platform. And they go there call their names. Ibu Winch, Ibu Wizard, lay him because he shadowed these people. Why will I keep respecting you as a leader while you are a no one single bank? Let me tell you now, go check from Ngobala. Check, is there any bank located in Ngobala? How do you expect me to support evil? Do you know that evil on Kanyama Baralabrani Bulani for years? We are trying to come out of evil and you are telling me to support evil again. In a church mind. So here I gonna fight table. This was the only hope my village in Webola, my local government in Webola, Sichineke chai. Either by mistake or anything, but at Ebuka Obi that time, bring him. No God. By now, waiting okay, money house on Naro, water in the morning, Gamecha business, I'm not back to my village. Good land, we have lands. In fact, do you know that in my village alone, I know they tell you my local government too. My village alone, we have land that can occupy, that can host 2 airports at the same time. My small village. As me and you they talk now, one village then come meet me, say they get 10,000 plot of land where they want sell. 10,000 plot of land. And I said, I want to see 1 or 2 or 3 elders. Let them come and say that again before me, then I will know. They will plan how they will blackmail you. They will plan it. Buy iron. Ordinarily, these people have conscience. So these guys, they have 1 minute conscience. Many of them are mad and wicked. Very, very wicked. If you see where bloggers are planning what they will do to you, if you see where they are planning you, see, it's not everything they told me I post to. It's not everything, because if I do like that, Oga, there are complaints I hear. I will know that this person is guilty. I won't even talk about it, because people are very, very wicked. See, listen to this. Listen to this parable. Should I call it parable? Africans are very funny. They cook up stories at their closest just to gain sympathy at the public domain. They cook up stories. Keep on one Ghana gachuzo. So you see the way it is. You see the way it is. People here can frame up anything in this part of the world. You see, because of this internet space. And the worst is they will be the first to call you blackmailer. They will be the first to call you Nimule Two-Face. Nina Alakazo. Akazo Nimule Two-Face. Nina Alakazo. They are unstable. You are unstable human being. Aradea. Arade that fool. Oribegini. Edosia. You cannot even trust him with anything. You cannot trust that one with anything, but they will be the first to plan and blackmail you. There was one story like that came up on the internet. 2 people were quarreling. I was not involved. I have no business to that. One blogger here who has never posted my page, who has never talked about my page, who hardly comment on my page, came in boss to tell me that this person can buy this person on internet not getting 150,000. I started recording that call conversation very, very late. I kept it. So big as he is, he have another person. Although no that thing, I will change a new person. But the battle does not concern me. The thing does not concern me in any way. He was telling me only 150,000 naira for me to wade into a case that does not concern me. On social media, this blogger here has never, and he's a content creator. In fact, he's just a content creator. He does his content and he makes money. All of us respect him. He has money. But he called my attention telling me, "Nam blackmail area mado, only 150,000 naira." As if na fuberu mego. Some of those words you see on the internet, people are paying people to fight it. Don't look beyond that person you see fighting that on the internet. There are voices, there are hands behind him. Equal to small, they will tell you. So you know what make money? Now you righteous pass. I'm not telling you I'll be born again, but I still have to reserve some integrities to myself. You see any blogger who takes money to fight or who takes bribe to fight, go and check that person. When the person will make mistake, boy, I have a problem. But see, when confidence, conviction is inside your heart, when it is strictly beckoned in you to speak what is right and what is good, you'll be saying it at the days of your calamity or the days of your pains. People will stand for you. You don't need to be paid by anyone before you say the truth. You don't need people near me. The other day, somebody saying that before you see Mozo, 1,000 naira before you go see Mozo. I look at the fool and laugh. But then when Google Map na phone me, just that there's no network there, I'm sure the guy. Oh, Igbo corner so same na mgeti rani aka ki aba ya moto gago si ani na mgeti ri aka. So I need to pay you for you to do good. Just come out and I marked his face. People do it here. For you to speak the truth again, now, you need to be paid. For you to blackmail somebody, you need to be paid. For you to push somebody down, you need to be paid. So here gonna fight table. This was the only hope my village in Webola, my local government in Webola, Chineke chai. Either by mistake or anything, but I take Ebuka Obi that time, bring him. Oh God. By now, waiting I keep money house on Naro. Water in the morning, Gabecha business. I'm gonna her back to my village. Good land, we have land. In fact, do you know that in my village alone, I know they tell you my local government too. My village alone, we have land that can occupy, that can host 2 airports at the same time. My small village. As me and you they talk now, one village then come meet me, say they get 10,000 plot of land where they want sell. 10,000 plot of land. And I said, I want to see 1 or 2 or 3 elders. Let them come and say that again before me, then I will know. Ala Karenko. It will hear me. The India politics can happen. Ego ala ego. Are they coming to buy it? When any industry, anything they are coming to do for us, no way. Eba abunde politician on naga potande China had they go via go 1 year land like that. Akuyoka only. No one single bank. Let me tell you now. Go check from Gobala. Check, is there any bank located in Gobala? How do you expect me to support evil? Do you know that evil on Kanyama Baralabrani Bulani for years? We are trying to come out of evil, and you are telling me to support evil again. You never put church mind. That's some things. That was why when the Reverend Father go strike Ebuka Obi, we want to try to develop this place. I'm mad with them. I'm mad with them. Well, because carry that your nonsense go Enugu. The road, the only road I show you now where Ohankem they try walk. That Ohankem a great Italian now. Ohankem a great Italian. Obabala cheap himself. Okay, man, they see from nowhere. Where allegation no Ohankem nishi. No, cause they never find here. No, cause they find here. No, cause propaganda. At the same time, you need a CD plate. You need making your own money, but you are backdating the development of my own area. You see that who send you? People now my time become president, you know they are calling that thing. When them John is wapogi here. Emma. Oh, you know idea? Jezebel and Ahab killed so many prophets, and they want him in the honey. But what him in there?